Hello. Today's choice of palette is the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. These palettes are inexpensive. I'm not for sure if she still sells them, but I do kind of remember them. I remember, ooh, eyeshadow is like falling out. It's like falling out on my laptop here. But let's get right into it. Okay, this is so messy. Whole pan. Look, don't recommend this. I don't recommend this palette. Just look at the colors. Gone. So, but we still gonna work with it. Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer on my eyes. Brush child. We're actually gonna be taking one of the darker brown shades in the palette. I don't know. I hate when they put the names on the back. Like, seriously? Honestly, like applying my shadow on a wet concealer. I just feel like it really picks it up. It's Savannah. She's based in Japan, I think. And I know she would always do it with black opal and it will look so good. And just right into the crease here with that darker brown shade. Shadows, when it comes down to on the blending tip, not the best. I'm gonna take a brown and throw it right on that, right on my lid. I'm using just like a fluffy brush for that brown. Just popping it just directly on my lid, on my crease here. I'm gonna just take some black with the same brush that pretty much just fell out. I'm gonna use what I have. Put it on the outer corner of my eye and I'm laying my brush flat and I'm just flicking it over. If you don't want to kind of keep it on the matte side, I'm kind of debating if I want to, if I want to add some more of that brown here. Or even if I want to add some shimmer. I like to take a fluffier brush, make sure we all are blended here. I just see something here that needs to be blended, like no blotchiness. That this palette is great, but it's super messy. It's like this really deep, like a deep chocolate brown shade, because her mattes, I mean, they're not bad, but definitely I'm not a fan of the finish. This and see what it do. Take my finger maybe. Let's just see what it do. Okay, the finger is most definitely the winner. Very soft and buttery. I like that. I'm just adding, it's like a basically the same color as the brown shade we put on the lid, except for it's like a satin, I would say. And with this look, I think you most definitely might want to add some liner. This look is on the messy side. Number 77 Inglot Gel Eyeliner. And my MAC 266 brush. I need to wash my brushes. I can't do no more makeup until I wash my brushes. So I'm going to be applying my foundation at Mcgrath Foundation in the shade Deep 29. I feel like I don't even have to say the name because so far Pat only has one foundation, right? Like she doesn't have like a million foundations, so I don't even have to say the name. Mercier concealer on. This is what I've been using lately. It's her Flawless Fusion in the shade 6N. We are not having shadow on our sponge. We are not going there. For Mercier, NARS. I think under Shiseido blends like butter. I'm taking the Huda Beauty Toasted Almond Concealer. We're highlighting with this. Whenever you do anything smoky, that highlight be looking banging. I don't know why, but I think maybe because it's like the contrast, you know? Like it just looks so good. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Tantour. I feel like I'm gonna use this in a minute in my videos. I'm in there, I'm in the shade medium. I'm just gonna press. Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm gonna be just using my sponge. About that much. And I love to just press the powder. I feel like I need to blend a little bit with this shadow here. A little blotchy. Whenever your shadow is there and you see like a spot that you may have not blended well, just take an overall fluffy brush. Just be light-handed with it and just kind of go in. First and foremost, I'm about to just add a little bit of Fenty Mocha Mami. I'm not baking. I just want to clean it all up. Well, I guess I am baking. I'm not trying to. A little bit of Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm just going to clean and sculpt my contour because I kind of want it to be defined. It's just like smoky. Lilly, because it's a bigger lash and it's also not a overpowering lash because you do like a smoky eye, so you can't too much really see the lash anyway, but I really just want to feel like I'm going to do this lash. This is like a Morphe pencil brush. These brushes are much more easier to get under your eye. I'm just going to take the deep brown, not the black, and the more satiny shade that I used, and we're dragging it under our eyes. Oh, it looks really pretty. Lower lash light. I forgot to put on eyeliner. That's unusual. Eyeliner, really fast. It's just the same One Size Beauty, Bodacious Black. A typical Mary Beauty to my lashes and also my lower lashes. I love lashes, but I actually don't like to wear them every day. I'm just honest. So now that I have everything applied, I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty lip liner. This one is so good. Like, I use this a lot for a reason. It's the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Pencil in Rich Brown. Favorite. So I'm gonna do, I have to do blush. I'm just gonna use, I'm gonna blush this, a pop of color of blush instead of just using maybe something similar. This blush is from MAC's Mariah Carey, Sweet Fantasy. I'm gonna just be using a more dense brush to just pick up the product. This is actually a contour brush, but definitely kind of leave this matte. I'm don't know if I want to put highlight on. I kind of do. I'm gonna do the Max Whisper of Guilt. This one isn't, you know, too crazy. We have our, I don't ever use these lipsticks. This is, I'll link it. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, and it has the replaceable lipsticks. I forget, this is Superstar lipsticks, but I never use them. I have like 3. Max Very Go, ow, Very Go Light Gloss. Really peachy, but I'm gonna kind of go in more with my lip liner. I'm going to also take the Airbrush Flawless Spray, because when you use a lot of powders, you have your face real tight.